Hello everyone and welcome to mathMinutes. In this video, we'll be discussing simultaneous equations and focusing on the elimination method. Simultaneous equations are a crucial part of algebra and often come up in math exams, so it's important to have a solid understanding of how to solve them. If you're new to this topic, don't worry, we'll be starting from the basics and working our way up to more complex problems. So let's get started. In case you haven't watched our video on the substitution method, simultaneous equations are a set of two or more equations that share common variables which must satisfy all the equations listed. For example, consider the following two equations: 3x plus y equals 8, x minus y equals 4. These two equations form a system of simultaneous equations. To solve this system of equations, we need to find the values of x and y that satisfy both equations. There are several methods for solving simultaneous equations, but in this video we'll focus on the elimination method. The elimination method involves adding or subtracting the equations to eliminate one of the variables. Let's use the previous example to demonstrate how this method works. First, we need to choose a variable to eliminate. In this case, we'll eliminate the y variable. We can see that the coefficient of y are equal, so we can simply add both equations together. 3x plus y plus x minus y is equal to 8 plus 4. Whether we add or subtract one equation from the other all depends on the coefficients of the variable and whether they are the same or opposite signs. So in this case, we had plus y in the first equation and minus y in the second equation. So we simply chose to add both of them together and eliminate y. The y term cancels out, leaving us with 4x equals 12, so x equals 3. We've now found the value of x. To find the value of y, we substitute x equals 3 into one of the original equations. Let's use the first equation. 3x plus y equals 8. So we have 3 times 3 plus y equals 8, which is 9 plus y equals 8, and therefore y is equal to minus 1. So the solution to this system of equations is x equals 3 and y equals minus 1. We can check our answer using either of the original equations. Let's use equation 2. X minus y equals 3 minus minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1, which equals 4. So we can see that our solution is correct. Through our examples, we can see that we can break down the elimination method into simple steps. First, for our ease, we rearrange the equations in the form ax plus by equals c. Then after deciding which variable to eliminate, we multiply the equations to ensure they both have the same magnitude of coefficients of the chosen variable. Now, depending on the sign, we add or subtract the equations, we solve the resulting equation, and then finally we substitute the value of the variable we have just worked out into one of the original equations and solve for the other variable. Let's try another example to strengthen our understanding of the elimination method. Let's solve the simultaneous equations 3x minus 2y equals 5, 5y equals 4 plus 2x. Let's rearrange the second equation so that we have it in the form of ax plus by equals c. We have 3x minus 2y equals 5 and minus 2x plus 5y equals 4. This time, let's eliminate the x variable. To do this, we need to make the coefficients of x opposite. So we'll multiply equation 1 by 2 and we'll multiply equation 2 by 3. This gives us 6x minus 4y equals 10. Minus 6x plus 15y equals 12. Now we can add the two equations together. 11y equals 22. So y is equal to 2. To find the value of x, we substitute y equals 2 into one of the original equations. Let's use the first equation. 3x minus 2y equals 5. So 3x minus 2 times 2 equals 5, which is 3x minus 4 equals 5. And so 3x equals 9, and therefore x is equal to 3. So there we have it. Our solution to these simultaneous equations is x equals 3, y equals 2. Again, we can do a quick check. Using equation 2, we see that minus 2x plus 5y equals minus 2 times 3 plus 5 times 2 equals minus 6 plus 10, which is equal to 4. And that's it for this video. We've covered the basics of simultaneous equations and demonstrated how to use the elimination method to solve them. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to try some practice problems on your own. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.